Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change system language on Samsung M35 device. Well, changing the system language can be beneficial for language learners and individuals looking to improve their language skill. And also, interacting with the device in a different language can provide exposure to new vocabulary and help reinforce language proficiency. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then scroll through the options until you locate General Management option. Tap on it. Well, after that, within this menu, you can select the language option. Okay, next, click on Add Language. So, after selecting the language, click on Set as Default to make it the primary language for your device. Okay, by following these steps, the language on your device has been successfully changed to your preferred choice. This adjustment also ensures that the user interface and system language align with your language preferences, enhancing the overall user experience. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change system language on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.